Hello, I want to personally welcome you to Spinal Logic Chiropractic. My name is Dr. Mike Woolard, but you can call me Dr. Mike. I am the founder of Spinal Logic Chiropractic. For almost 15 years, myself and staff have been proudly serving our patients. The first thing I want to explain to you today is about chiropractic in my office and the procedures associated with today's visit. I have found that it's very important to educate our patients so that you can understand what chiropractic is in my office, because there can be different styles of chiropractors. Most doctors don't educate their patients, and I want to partner with you to regain your health and maintain your health through chiropractic, and not just blindly following our recommendations. This will be helpful whether this is your first visit to a chiropractor, you've been to a chiropractor before, even though it may have been a while, or if you go to a chiropractor regularly. The next thing I'm going to explain are the procedures of today's visits so that you can feel comfortable and know what is going on and why we're doing what we're doing to figure out how we can best help you. To more fully understand what chiropractic is, it is important to understand that we are doctors of the nerve system. What this means is that we detect and correct problems in the nerve system caused by spinal bones or pressure being put on the nerves. The nerve system is made up of your brain, spine, and spinal nerves. And what we do is look for whether or not your brain and body are communicating properly or whether there's interference with that communication, not allowing your body to work the way that it's supposed to. The reason why the nerve system is the most important system of your body, commonly called the master control system or master computer system, is because the nerve system controls every cell, tissue, gland, and organ of your body. If there is interference to your nerve system, not allowing your brain and body to communicate the way it's supposed to, it is called a vertebral subluxation. A subluxation is where the spine is out of alignment and is pinching, choking, or interfering with the communication between your brain and your body. That is why we are going to perform all the tests we are going to be performing today, thereby giving us information about whether you have a vertebral subluxation, and how that subluxation may be causing or contributing to your health challenges you are having. We will be evaluating your nerve system in the same way if you are having health challenges or if you're here just to have a wellness spinal checkup. Are you healthy or just not sick? This chart is called a health continuum. This may seem like a confusing question, but let me explain. Judging your health by how you feel can be dangerous. You see here where the line is on the far left-hand side of the graph representing a person who has symptoms. Usually in order for this to happen, your health has to be deteriorating for some time, whether you knew it or not. And in the middle of the graph, there is a line representing a person who is symptom-free. That doesn't mean they are necessarily healthy. And on the far right-hand side, you see a line representing a person experiencing optimum health and health maintenance. What this means is that there is a big difference in a person that is pain-free versus someone that's experiencing optimum health. The point is, you can be symptom-free and still not be healthy. Have you ever known anybody that had a clean bill of health and died the next day? Or felt fine and yet had cancer? It is one of the most dangerous thoughts to think, I feel fine, so I must be healthy. The tests we're going to be performing today will tell us how your body is functioning, not how it's feeling. Because as I said before, it is better for your body to function well and know it's working optimally. So is your body working optimally? The first procedure you're going to experience today is a staff or doctor asking you specific questions to make sure they understand what your current health status is, to understand your concerns, and see preliminarily if you are a chiropractic candidate. Secondly, the staff or doctor will review what the cost will be for today's services. Next, I'm going to introduce you to a computerized testing to check the functioning of your nerve system. The first instrument we use is a thermography unit. This unit is used to measure and compare the temperature of your spine from one side to the other. If there are temperature differences, it indicates that there is either swelling, muscle spasm, or misalignment in your spine because that causes the temperature around the spine to increase. The next computerized testing is called a SEMG. This test is going to measure the activity of the muscles, telling us whether the muscles are spasming, tight, imbalanced, and whether the nerves are not working correctly. The next test we will be performing is a range of motion test. This test will give us an indication of whether you are moving as well as you should, or whether or not you have restriction in your ability to turn or bend, or whether our restrictions in your movement will give us information about how your spine is working or whether it is restricted. Then we will take some pictures of your spine. We'll see if there is arthritis in your spine, whether there are discs that are decaying, whether you have misalignments in your spine, and whether there's anything else going on that we need to be concerned about and may need to be referred to another specialist. Also, the doctor will be feeling your spine and muscles, correlating the results from that test to all the other tests. Before leaving today, we'll also give you some homework. A 20-page magazette to read through before your next appointment. It will be very beneficial to read through the material. We will give you a better understanding of what I will be explaining on your next visit. Then once we have your x-rays marked and all of your test results correlated, we will sit down with a staff member and doctor to go through your test results and explain your test result findings to you, your insurance coverage or financial obligation, and go through the recommendations we have to help you regain and maintain your body to be healthy for a lifetime. To get started, the staff or doctor will get you a gown. Please leave your socks and underwear on. Please put your belongings in the basket provided so that everything is in one place so that you won't lose any of your belongings. Remember once again to have the opening of the gown in the back. If you have any questions or concerns, please promise that you will ask the staff or doctors and they will do their best to answer any questions and resolve any problems that you have.